voltage drop is certainly a concern. Using 10-gauge wire for a portion of the run and splicing to 12-gauge UF cable is not ideal from a voltage drop perspective, though perhaps acceptable. To calculate voltage drop, use the following formula: voltage drop equals current times distance times conductor resistance divided by 1000. Let's consider a scenario of running a 120-volt circuit with a load of 20 amps for, say, a power tool. The voltage drop would be calculated as follows: voltage drop equals 20 times 80 times 0.105 divided by 1000, which equals 1.68 volts. This calculated voltage drop of 1.68 volts is within the typically acceptable limit of 3 volts for branch circuits, but it's close. To further reduce voltage drop, you could use 8-gauge wire for the entire run from the house panel to the garage subpanel. Now, let's move on to estimating man-hours. 22 hours for this job is reasonable, considering the various tasks involved. Firstly, digging the trench will take time, perhaps around 4 hours. This depends on soil conditions and any obstacles encountered underground. Secondly, running and burying the new UF cable will also consume a significant portion of the time. Estimate about 8 hours for this, which includes proper burial depth and securing the cable. Thirdly, installing junction boxes and splicing the wires neatly and safely will require attention to detail, a lot around 4 hours for this task. Fourthly, connecting the subpanel in the garage, ensuring proper grounding and bonding, and testing the connections could take about 3 hours. Fifthly, there are always miscellaneous tasks that arise during any electrical job, such as troubleshooting, obtaining materials, or dealing with unforeseen issues, so budgeting an additional 3 hours for these contingencies is wise. When it comes to estimating, breaking down the job into smaller, more manageable tasks is a good approach. Estimate the time required for each task individually, then sum them up to get a total estimate. This allows for a more accurate assessment of the overall project duration. Always allow for unexpected delays and obstacles. Old work is always full of surprises, from hidden wiring to structural issues. Adding a buffer to the estimate to account for these potential problems is prudent. Consider the complexity of the work and your own experience level. If you're unfamiliar with certain aspects of the job, it may take longer to complete than someone with more experience. It's always a good idea to seek feedback from experienced electricians or contractors, especially when estimating unfamiliar tasks. They can provide valuable insights and help refine the estimate. There's also software and online tools designed to assist with estimating electrical work. These tools can help streamline the process and ensure that all relevant factors are considered. Now let's touch on getting jobs lined up. Networking with local contractors, real estate agents, and homeowners is a great way to generate leads. Building relationships with these individuals can lead to referrals and repeat business. Advertising your services in local publications and online directories can also help attract new customers. Make sure your ads are clear, concise, and highlight your unique selling points. Creating a strong online presence with a website and social media profiles is essential in today's digital age. Showcase your work, share helpful tips, and engage with potential customers online. Offering competitive pricing and excellent customer service is crucial for attracting and retaining clients. Provide transparent quotes, communicate effectively, and always go the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction. Specializing in a particular area of electrical work, such as smart home installations or electric vehicle charging, can help you stand out from the competition and attract a niche market. Consider offering maintenance contracts to existing customers. This can provide a steady stream of income and help build long-term relationships. Always prioritize safety in all aspects of electrical work. Follow all applicable codes and regulations, and take necessary precautions to prevent accidents. Continuous learning is essential in the electrical field. Stay up to date on the latest technologies, codes, and best practices. Consider attending industry conferences and workshops to expand your knowledge and skills. Maintain proper insurance coverage to protect yourself and your business from liability. This includes general liability insurance and workers' compensation insurance, if applicable. Invest in quality tools and equipment. Having reliable tools will make your work easier, faster, and safer. Proper documentation is crucial for all electrical work. Keep accurate records of all jobs, including permits, inspections, and invoices. Obtain all necessary permits before starting any electrical work. This ensures compliance with local regulations and helps protect your customers. Always be professional and courteous in your interactions with customers. Building trust and rapport is essential for long-term success. Take pride in your work and strive to deliver exceptional results. Positive word-of-mouth referrals are the best form of advertising. Be patient and persistent in your efforts to grow your electrical business. Building a successful business takes time and dedication. Remember to prioritize safety. Always de-energize circuits before working on them. Use appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves and eye protection, and follow lockout-tagout procedures. Double-check your work to ensure accuracy and compliance with codes. Careless mistakes can have serious consequences. Seek guidance from experienced electricians or mentors. Learning from others' experiences can help you avoid common pitfalls and improve your skills. Develop a strong understanding of the National Electrical Code, or NEC. The NEC provides comprehensive guidelines for safe electrical installations. When running UF cable underground, ensure it is buried at the proper depth, typically 24 inches. This protects the cable from physical damage and frost heave. Use appropriate fittings and connectors for all electrical connections. This ensures secure and reliable connections. When splicing wires, use proper splicing techniques and materials. Wire connections must be mechanically sound and electrically conductive. Always ground and bond electrical equipment properly. Grounding and bonding provide a path for fault current to flow back to the source, helping to prevent electrical shock hazards. Test all electrical installations thoroughly before energizing them. Use appropriate testing equipment, such as a multimeter or circuit tester, to verify proper wiring and grounding. Provide clear and concise instructions to customers on how to operate and maintain their electrical systems. This helps prevent misuse and extends the lifespan of the equipment. Stay organized and keep your work area clean. A clean work environment promotes safety and efficiency. Continuously evaluate your estimating process and identify areas for improvement. Track your actual costs and compare them to your estimates to identify any discrepancies. Consider using a job costing system to track all expenses associated with each project. This provides valuable insights into profitability and helps refine your estimating process. Network with other professionals in the construction industry, such as plumbers, carpenters, and HVAC contractors. Building relationships with these individuals can lead to valuable referrals and partnerships. Participate in local trade shows and industry events to promote your business and network with potential customers. Consider joining a professional organization such as the Independent Electrical Contractors or the National Electrical Contractors Association. These organizations provide valuable resources, training, and networking opportunities. Stay informed about changes in the electrical industry and adapt your business accordingly. New technologies and regulations are constantly emerging, so it's important to stay ahead of the curve. Invest in marketing and advertising to reach a wider audience. Consider using a variety of marketing channels, such as online advertising, social media, and print advertising. Develop a brand identity that reflects your values and professionalism. A strong brand can help you stand out from the competition and attract new customers. Seek feedback from customers on how you can improve your services. Customer feedback is invaluable for identifying areas where you can enhance your business. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge through ongoing training and education. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest technologies and best practices. Delegate tasks to qualified employees or subcontractors to free up your time for more important tasks. Effective delegation can improve efficiency and productivity. Manage your finances carefully to ensure the long-term sustainability of your business. Track your income and expenses, and develop a budget to guide your spending. Plan for future growth and expansion. Develop a long-term business plan that outlines your goals and strategies for achieving them. Take care of your physical and mental health. Running an electrical business can be demanding, so it's important to prioritize your well-being. Set realistic goals for your business and celebrate your successes along the way. Building a successful electrical business takes time, effort, and dedication. Remember to stay focused on your goals and never give up on your dreams. Ensure all electrical work complies with local codes and the National Electrical Code. Prioritize safety at every stage of the electrical installation process. Employ quality materials and workmanship to ensure long-lasting electrical systems. Focus on energy efficiency to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Offer a variety of electrical services to meet the diverse needs of customers. Provide timely and responsive customer service to build lasting relationships. Price your services fairly and competitively to attract and retain customers. Manage projects effectively to ensure on-time and on-budget completion. Stay up to date on the latest electrical technologies and trends. Invest in training and development to enhance your skills and knowledge. Promote your business through effective marketing and advertising strategies. Build a strong reputation for quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Foster a positive and productive work environment for your employees. Maintain a safe and healthy workplace to protect your employees from hazards. Comply with all applicable laws and regulations to ensure legal compliance. Practice ethical business conduct to build trust and integrity. Manage your finances wisely to ensure the long-term financial stability of your business. Plan for future growth and expansion to maximize your business potential. Remember to always prioritize safety, quality, and customer satisfaction in all aspects of your electrical business. Remember to consult the NEC for specific requirements related to voltage drop and conductor sizing. Consider using a voltage drop calculator to determine the appropriate wire size for your application. Always factor in the actual load and distance when calculating voltage drop. If voltage drop is a concern, consider using a larger conductor size or increasing the voltage. Remember that voltage drop can affect the performance of electrical equipment. Ensure that the voltage at the equipment terminals is within the acceptable range. Document your voltage drop calculations and conductor sizing decisions. Consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about voltage drop. Consider the effects of ambient temperature on conductor ampacity. Use the appropriate correction factors when sizing conductors in high-temperature environments. Protect underground cables from physical damage by using conduit or other protective measures. Ensure that underground cables are properly grounded and bonded. Use ground fault circuit interrupters or GFCIs in areas where electrical equipment may come into contact with water. Educate customers about electrical safety and energy efficiency. Offer maintenance contracts to ensure the ongoing safety and performance of electrical systems. Be prepared to handle electrical emergencies such as power outages or electrical fires. Stay up to date on the latest electrical codes and regulations. Participate in continuing education courses to enhance your knowledge and skills. Network with other electrical professionals to share best practices and learn from each other. Join a professional electrical organization to gain access to valuable resources and networking opportunities. Consider becoming a certified electrician to demonstrate your expertise and professionalism. Promote your business through effective online and offline marketing strategies. Build a strong online presence to attract new customers. Use social media to engage with potential customers and share valuable content. Offer free estimates to attract new customers. Provide excellent customer service to build lasting relationships. Be responsive to customer inquiries and address their concerns promptly. Follow up with customers after completing a job to ensure their satisfaction. Ask for referrals from satisfied customers. Build a strong reputation for quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Use customer testimonials to promote your business. Participate in community events to raise awareness of your business. Support local charities and organizations to give back to your community. Build relationships with other businesses in your community. Collaborate with other businesses to offer complementary services. Join the local Chamber of Commerce to network with other business owners. Attend local business events to learn about new opportunities. Stay informed about local economic trends and developments. Adapt your business strategies to meet the changing needs of the local market. Be prepared to handle unexpected challenges, such as economic downturns or natural disasters. Develop a contingency plan to address potential risks and challenges. Manage your finances carefully to ensure the long-term financial stability of your business. Seek advice from a qualified financial advisor. Invest in your business to support future growth and expansion. Continuously evaluate your business performance and identify areas for improvement. Be willing to adapt and change as needed to stay competitive in the market. Focus on providing exceptional value to your customers. Build a strong team of skilled and dedicated employees. Foster a positive and productive work environment. Empower your employees to make decisions and take ownership of their work. Recognize and reward employees for their contributions. Invest in employee training and development. Promote from within whenever possible. Create a culture of continuous improvement. Encourage employees to share their ideas and suggestions. Be open to new ideas and approaches. Continuously seek ways to improve your business processes and operations. Focus on efficiency and productivity. Eliminate waste and streamline your operations. Use technology to automate tasks and improve efficiency. Invest in equipment and tools that can help you work more efficiently. Continuously monitor your performance and track your progress. Set goals and measure your results. Use data to make informed decisions. Continuously learn and grow. Stay up to date on the latest industry trends and best practices. Attend conferences and workshops to expand your knowledge. Read industry publications and online resources. Network with other professionals to share ideas and learn from each other. Never stop learning and growing. Be passionate about your work. If you're passionate about what you do, it will show in your work. Your passion will inspire your employees and customers. Your passion will help you overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Remember to always prioritize safety, quality, and customer satisfaction. Building a successful electrical business takes time, effort, and dedication. But with hard work, determination, and a commitment to excellence, you can achieve your goals and build a thriving business. Strive to exceed customer expectations on every job. Provide personalized service and attention to detail. Go the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction. Build a reputation for being reliable, trustworthy, and professional. Become known as the go-to electrician in your community. Focus on building long-term relationships with your customers. Treat your customers with respect and courtesy. Make them feel valued and appreciated. Remember that your customers are your best advocates. Happy customers will spread the word about your business to their friends and family. Word-of-mouth referrals are the most effective form of advertising. Invest in your brand. Create a professional logo and website. Use consistent branding across all of your marketing materials. Make sure your brand reflects your values and your commitment to quality. Differentiate yourself from your competitors. Identify what makes your business unique and highlight those strengths in your marketing materials. Focus on providing a superior customer experience. Make it easy for customers to do business with you. Provide clear and concise information about your services. Offer convenient payment options. Be responsive to customer inquiries and complaints. Make sure every interaction with your business is a positive one. Remember that your brand is your promise to your customers. Make sure you deliver on that promise every time. Continuously monitor your online reputation. Read online reviews and respond to comments and feedback. Address negative reviews promptly and professionally. Use online reviews to improve your business. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Your online reputation is critical to your success. Protect your reputation by providing excellent service and maintaining high ethical standards. Be a responsible member of your community. Support local charities and organizations. Participate in community events. Be a good neighbor. Building a strong reputation in your community will help you attract new customers and grow your business. Remember that your success is dependent on the success of your community. Invest in your community and your community will invest in you. Be a leader in your industry. Share your knowledge and expertise with others. Participate in industry events. Join professional organizations. Advocate for policies that support your industry. Being a leader in your industry will help you attract new customers, recruit talented employees, and grow your business. Remember that your success is dependent on the success of your industry. Invest in your industry and your industry will invest in you. Be a lifelong learner. Stay up to date on the latest technologies and trends. Attend conferences and workshops. Read industry publications. Network with other professionals. The electrical industry is constantly evolving. To stay competitive, you must continuously learn and grow. Remember that your success is dependent on your ability to adapt to change. Be open to new ideas and approaches. Be willing to experiment and take risks. Embrace change and you will thrive in the electrical industry. Be passionate about your work. When you're passionate about what you do, it shows. Your passion will inspire your employees, your customers, and your community. Your passion will help you overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Remember that your success is dependent on your passion. Follow your passion and you will achieve great things in the electrical industry. Finally, use the correct size wire according to NEC Table 310.15b16.